Okay, this is the wet dry vacuum. We got it here. This is the front squeegee. It's really easy to put right here. I'm doing just with one hand. And we got it here. This is the hose that's connected to the front squeegee. The front squeegee got this works right here for easy move on the top of the door or the baseboard, and you push right here, and now the squeegee is on the floor, ready for the suction process. And when you want to stop, you just push right here, and that's it. Now it's separate, and this is the exterior. Look really brand new. Yes, inside is still. That's it.